Hello, Carolyn over here at Premier Fitness. Today we're going to be doing a full body workout. So what I have for you today is 3 sets of 4 exercises in each set. We're going to be doing 15 reps of each exercise, and this is meant to be done 2 times through. However, I'm going to do the first set with you and then you can do it again on your own. Before you get started, make sure you do a little bit of a warm-up to get your heart rate up and do some stretching. I already have done that. So our first 4 exercises are going to be bent over rows, lunges, bicep curls, and deadlifts. So we're going to start with bent over rows. As you see, I have a number of different size weights, so just grab whatever you think is good. So we're going to start bent over, and we're just going to row 15 reps. Good job. Almost done. All right. Make sure you grab water to drink between sets. Next, we're going to do lunges. So we're just going to do 8 per leg. When you're lunging, make sure that back leg is at a 90-degree angle. All right. Bicep curls are going to be next. I'm going to grab some water. So 15 reps. Five more. All right, so last exercise for this set is going to be deadlifts. So I'm going to turn to the side so you can see my form. You're going to put your weights in front, bend down, try to touch your toes. Keep those legs as straight as you can, keeping that back straight. You should feel it in your hamstrings. Five more. 2, last one. All right, so that was the first of 4. So take a second and grab your breath. So this, we're not doing it for time like a lot of the workouts we do, it's just for reps. So you don't have to go super fast. Okay, our next 4 exercises are tricep extension, goblet squat, lateral raises, and step-ups. So for tricep extension, you're just going to need 1 weight above your head. You want to keep those elbows stable. You're not going to move your elbows around, and you're just working those triceps. Again, 15 reps. Five more. Last one. Good. All right, next is gonna be goblet squats. So for this, you're gonna just need one weight and you're gonna hold it up in 15. Good job. Halfway. Three more. Good job. All right. Now we're going to do lateral raises. So for this, just reaching up, don't go past your shoulders. We don't want you to go up here, just to shoulder height. Five more. Last one. Good. All right. So our last exercise in this set is going to be step up. So I have a little step here. So we'll do 8 each foot. So we'll do 8 on this side. Now we're going to do 8 leading with the other foot. Good. All right. So for our third set, we're going to do bent over flies, one leg RDLs or Russian deadlifts, front raise, and squat to press. So for bent over rows, it's similar to, bent over flies is similar to bent over rows. So you're going to bend over and we're going to do flies. Again, 15 reps. Five more. Good. All right. One leg Russian deadlifts. So this, it really is going to test your balance. So you're going to put one leg forward. You're going to bend down all the way and kick that back leg back. So we'll do 8 per leg. All right, switch legs. Good. Halfway. All right. Now we're going to do front raise. Similar to lateral raise, you don't want to go above your shoulders. So 15. Last 5 here. Last one. All right. So our final exercise, we're going to do squat to press. So it's exactly as it sounds. We're going to squat and then press. Squat and press. So this is a combo exercise. We're targeting multiple muscle groups. Five more. Three more. Almost done. Last one. Good. All right. So again, this is meant to be done another round. You're really gonna feel it. I'm already feeling it after one round. So as soon as you're done, make sure you do a cool down and some stretching to lower your heart rate. As you can see, my heart rate's up, I'm out of breath. So make sure just don't forget that cool down and stretching. Thank you for joining us. Have a good one.